Hi, this is Stephanie Strackbine. I am a canine behavior and enrichment specialist and the owner of What Dogs Want. Our mission is to provide enrichment opportunities for dogs and their people. This is the Kong Classic, the original dog enrichment toy. So we have Peyton, who's a 1.5 years, and May, who just turned 2. And they're going to show you a really cool way to use a Kong Classic. We dropped a few treats inside, shoved a piece of cloth. We are using a baby washcloth today. And they have to pull this out to get to the treats. So it's a little higher level challenge. This is a great way to build their problem solving skills, impulse control, their focus, a little bit of creative thinking. Good, May. May, you're gonna want that one. Good job. Good, Peyton. Good. And now they have to work to get the treats to come out of the car. Good, Peyton. Good, Peyton. Good. There you go. Good job.